Here we have a 2008 Suzuki Swift. I'll run you through how to replace the engine oil and filter. Firstly, we're going to send the car up in the air, get underneath it to locate the oil filter and the engine sump plug. So here on the right hand side of the vehicle we have the engine sump plug located, and to the front of it we have the engine oil filter. So now we'll go ahead and remove the filter. So with a 17mm spanner, take the sump plug out first. And leave that to drain for 10 minutes, and while it's draining, we'll go ahead and undo the oil filter. So with an oil filter claw tool, just loosen the oil filter. Start to drain now. Now that the oil filter's off, leave that to drain for another 5 to 10 minutes and just clean that up with some degreaser just to clean the filter housing so the new filter O-ring can seal on that housing. Get your sump plug, take the old washer off, the new washer. This one's all crushed. So here we've got our new oil filter. Just get some oil to put on the O-ring of the new filter. Just smear that around the edge. That will stop the oil filter from binding up on the housing when we fit it. Fit our new filter. Tighten that up. Now with our sump plug and our new washer, slide that in, tighten it up, and then let's get some degreaser, clean off any excess oil. Now with a spray bottle of water, just wash down all the degreaser around the sump plug and the oil filter, and just leave that to drip dry. Now we'll bring the car back down and fill it with fresh oil. So we're going to go ahead and start the engine now. Just pay attention to the engine oil light. You want to see that go out within roughly 5 to 10 seconds. That just means that it's built up oil pressure and everything's okay. So we'll go ahead and start now. There we go, the light's gone out, it's built up oil pressure. So we can turn it back off and go and check our level now. So leave the engine to sit for a couple of minutes to let the oil drain back down into the sump so you get the correct level. As you can see, the oil level's dropped to just under half, so we'll go ahead and top it up with about half a litre and then we'll recheck our level. So I've just topped it up another half a litre. Left it to sit for a couple of minutes. Our oil level's right on full now. That's the oil, engine oil and filter change completed.